G'day folks. Well, just before I move on back onto this washing machine, which has a remarkably overcomplicated three-phase motor on it, I found something today that I know Brad will like, because he gave me one of these fan motors to get rewound and it just turned out to be not worth it. So we threw that one out and I said I'd keep an eye out for one in future, and voila, we have one. This one came in at the scrapyard just as I was about to leave. Just like the last big fan I found, I was just walking out the door and someone drives in with it. So yeah, it's TQ Professional. They're all made in pretty much the same factory in China. A few $100s worth to buy them new though. They're a good industrial fan. I just opened it up, make sure it looks alright inside, and it does. It's just been out in the weather a little bit. It's got a bit of oxidation and pitting on the blades. So it's not the prettiest fan, but it certainly should work alright. I guess I should put it back together again and put power to it and see if it works or if sparks come out. Either way, it'll be fun. Alright, let's try this on low speed for starters. Oh. Nothing. Alright. Try on number 2. Everything looks connected inside, but who knows? Still not getting anything. If there's a break in the wire or something. Oh yeah, that's been squished. Alright, let's check some continuity. It's rather interesting. Something's open somewhere. It doesn't look like windings though. They all look to be in really good condition. I've got 240 volts across everything. Capacitor's still good because I've got continuity and voltage going through that. I wonder if there's a thermal switch in this which is tripped out but hasn't reclosed. What does that say? Thermal link, 130 degrees, 2 amps. Okay. Yeah, it's on the schematic. There's a thermal link in there. I've got a feeling that's gone open. Everything else looks fine, so I have to get this stator pack out and have a closer look. Might be able to do that without pulling the whole thing to bits, but I think I've got to take that other end bell off to get this housing apart. Yeah, it's holding the front grille on. Oh well, time to strip it down. Well, I certainly found the culprit. I didn't even have to strip it down, it's just tucked in under the windings, under all these wires where the heat can concentrate. This thermal link is open, as I expected. I'm just going to bypass it for now. If Brad wants to put a new one in, that's alright, but most people I know just bypass them and just never use them. If the motor burns out that bad, it'll trip the circuit breaker anyway and shut itself down. A lot of the time they don't even have them. So there you go. I'll just cut these wires, twitch them together with a wire nut and stuff them back in there, and it should do it. And just tighten this string a bit because it's loosened that off, but that's normal. It's just tucked in under the under there. Just you can see the top of it sticking through the top of the windings. So pretty easy. Alright, wire's been terminated. Let's try it again. That's better. The bearing sounds a bit bad, but we can lube him up. There's bits of paint and crap coming off the blades, that's what that is. Yeah. The only thing I noticed is missing is the nut off this, but I think Brad's got a spare one. At least I hope he does. Very good, I'll put it back together again. Alright, test run time. Start with number 1. Good. It's that metal thing on the front vibrating. It's not the bearings. I checked the bearings and they're all good. Alright, so that's low. Sounds good, runs good. 2, mid-speed. These things are mentally powerful. If you can find one, grab it. They're great for summertime. That's 2. Let's try 3. Shit. Lift off. Yeah, that's nuts. Just like I remember them. Very good. Only thing that's missing is that cam wheel there, which this lever goes on for the oscillation, that's all. And I know Brad's got one of them floating around somewhere, so it should be right. Thanks for watching.